Hello fam, welcome back to the channel. This is Miss A, your classy beauty savvy, and welcome to a brand new video. Today we are finally doing a car tour. So last week I shared with you our brand new car, Moon. Moon is a Toyota VELOZ V 2024. So today I'll share with you naman what's inside Moon and what features did we like. That's why we have decided to get this Toyota VELOZ. So if you want to know more about it, please don't forget to subscribe and of course stay tuned. Let's go! We got our car keys from, ano nga to daddy? From Shopee. Ayan. So this one is for Pag-ibig and the other one is mine. Yay! Yes! Let's go! Ang init!
Pindutin mo yung brake mo.
We're finally inside the car, you guys! Sobrang init, kaya nagpalamig muna tayo ng very, very light at hindi tayo makagulapay ng ganito kainit dito sa car. So, hindi pa tayo nag-unwrap. We will do that in a bit. So, yan ang mga atupagin natin in today's video. So, I'm gonna tour you around. Feeling magdadrive ako pero hindi talaga ako marunong mag-drive, guys. So, si Pag-ibig talaga ang magdadrive kay Moon. So, simulan natin dito. Of course, we have the general look. So, meron tayo dito for the side mirrors. Ayan, ito yata yung tagpan nun. That I don't know. Ayan, so meron tayo for the, and then this one as well. Tapos at the bottom, you will see some compartments. Meron tayo ditong 2 bottle compartments. Ayan. And then we also have one small compartment over here. And over here naman, ayan. So, meron tayong mga, features. And I'm just gonna flash on the screen what these features are all about. And then over here, we have the aircon. Tapos, one cup holder over here. Tapos, our dashboard. Tapos, of course, meron tayo nitong mga ganyang buttons. And then we have this controllers. Ayan. Ito yung ating and then we are gonna do the Apple CarPlay over here. Tapos meron tayong mga air vents for the aircon, hazard. And then we have all the other controls here. Ayan. So meron tayo nito for the fan. Auto, yan siya. Tapos dito tayo mag-engine start. And then we have some signal lights. And then this one is the manibela. And then automatic na siya, guys. Sorry, ang alikabok. So, ayan. And then we have this hold button kapag nasa traffic at tinatamad na kayong brake or what, yan daw yun. Tapos for parking. Tapos this one is for wireless charging. Yan si Apple, pwede yan. And other Android devices, pwede. And then we have over here, ayan, maliit lang siya. I'm a little bit sad na medyo maliit lang tong area na to. Na extra charger pa tayo dito. So, ayan. Yan siya. Tapos, ito yung iba nating charging ports. Ayan. Ito yung cover niya. So, ito, si VELOZ, yung kanyang glove box or compartment. Medyo maliit lang din siya, as you can see. Or standard size naman to. May mga booklets na binigay sa atin. So, it's right over there. Aircon and another lalagyanan ng water. Ayan, sa radio. Ayan pala, 360 niya.
Gusto mo makita.
So, tignan natin guys. Ayun. Ay, ulitin natin. Ayan. Nakikita nyo na ang ating parking. Medyo maraming plants kasi si Papa. Yung gilid. And yung harap.
Yan, makikita mo yung sa...
Magpa-park ka na.
Pag magre-reverse.
Pag magre-reverse.
Okay na.
Okay, go. Okay, so here sa second row, I have installed yung mga upuan ng mga dogs. We have one for Biscuit and one for Bella. So you can see si Bella, pwede siya dyan. Pagka magta-travel kami, dito siya. Tsaka si Bella dito sa pink, si Biscuit dito sa gray. This is the second row. Pwedeng 3 tao dito na maupo. Tapos, we have huge leg room, if you can see. Tapos, over here, meron tayo ditong cup holder, extra cup holder. So, yung mga nandito sa likod, pwede silang maglagay dito ng mainumin. So, let me show you the other parts naman. Meron pa tayo ulit na cup holder. Tapos, marami pa ulit. Isa pa ulit na cup holder and then extra space here. Yan. Tapos, underneath, nandito si Pera, nanggugulo. Ito, extra charger to for our passengers. Ayan. Sorry, nakikita nyo ba? Ayan siya. Tapos, sa top naman, sa aircon side naman nito, meron siyang ganitong flap. Hindi ko masyadong gets yung nito. Pang airflow daw yan. This is something that we don't really like about VELOZ kasi parang ang hirap niyang gamayin. Tapos dito naman yung control ng ating aircon sa likod kung gusto niyo siyang pataasin or palakasin pala. So dito siya. Tapos, ano pa ba? Ito yung ilaw which is perfect kasi meron siyang puti siya. So that's what we love about the ilaw here. Okay, let's start unwrapping! ASMR. Ayan. So, since naka-unwrap na siya, I'll show you this feature. Ito, pag dalawa lang yung pasahero ninyo, you can just pull that and ganyan siya. So, ito yung magiging armrest. So, magiging armrest natin siya. Yung iba, merong cup holders dito, pero si VELOZ wala siya nun. Ayan, punta na tayo dun sa likod so I can show you naman our unwrapping over there. Okay, let's try this part na. So we're going to push it down. Yan. It's mabigat. Sa third row naman, adults, mga dalawa lang na adults. Pero kapag meron kayong mga kids, pwede sila dito sa likod. Sobrang saya. Let's unwrap. Excuse me. Ta-da! Ayan na si third row. So, again, for third row, pwede dito 3 na mga bata or 2 na adults. Ayan. I'll show you what we have here. So, mga cup holders again. Dito lalagyan yata to ng mga iPad or cellphones. Sa kabila, ganun din. The charger port. Ayan, teka. I-unwrap natin to. Ayan. Perfect. And extra container here sa gilid ng window. and Bella, our very makulit na Belalay. So Bella, how do you like Moon, my love? How do you like Moon? I like you so much kasi lagi ka nandito. Nanggugulo ka lagi kay Mami dito sa filming ni Mami eh. Let's unwrap this one naman. There we go. That's the front part. Let's get this removed. So nice. So nice. This one? Okay, now we're moving on to the back part of Moon. Oopsie. Wow! So this is the back part of Moon. Dito sa trunk. Ay, may basura pa tayo dito. Wait. So, ito yung trunk area niya. Tapos, meron tayo ng mga free na payong from Toyota. Ayan, from Sir Joseph. Nakita nyo dun sa vlog ko. And then we also have this. This is the early warning device. So let's see what's inside. Ta-da! So let's throw this away. Tapos, inside, we have ito. Ito yung nilalagay dun sa parang warning nga. Warning device. Tapos, dito sa ilalim nito, so this is a free from Sir Joseph, by the way. Thank you, sir. Yan. Ito yung ating mga mini compartments for some other things. Pwedeng tools, pwedeng damit, pwedeng shoes. Yan, yung mga dadalhin ninyo when you go on a trip. We'll show you naman how it will look when we go car camping. So, ganon. Yes. And then this one. Ugh. Ayan. Tapos kapag inano pa natin yun nandun, sobrang luwang. I'll show you. That's my favorite feature. One of my favorite features itong Toyota VELOZ. And then meron din siya nung sofa mode na pinakita namin sa previews. Pinakita ko pala sa previews video. Ayun lang. I hope you enjoyed this video, fam. And we can't wait to go on road trips with Moon very, very soon. We're just waiting for the ORCR and of course, for Pag-ibig to get used to the driving, the city driving. So we hope to see you next time. Bye!